Yo, what's up guys? I just want to take a second to show you just how easy it is to use a film retrieval tool. Now, if you don't have one of these already, I will leave a link in the description to the one that I bought so that you can follow along. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep this as quick but detailed as possible so that you can do it right the first time. Take a look at your tool. You've got some sliders here. These control these tabs that slide into the roll of film to pull out the lead. It's important that when you are starting, these are all the way down at the bottom. Set that aside for a second. Take your roll of film and twist this counterclockwise a couple of times. I don't really know why you need to do this, but the person that taught me how to do this told me that it's a pretty important thing. Couldn't tell you why. Anyway, once you've done that, with the sliders all the way down at the bottom, insert the tabs into your roll of film, just like that. Okay, your next step is going to be to again twist this counterclockwise a few times, and once you've done it a couple of times, you're going to hear a clicking sound. Just like that. I hope you can hear it on camera. I'm going to do it again. Once you hear that, stop and take your first slider and slide it all the way up. Should look just like that. You're going to twist this counterclockwise again until you hear that click one more time. Just like that. When you hear the click, stop and slide the next slider up to the top, just like that. And that's honestly it. The last step is going to be to hold your roll of film firmly. And I like to put pressure up on these sliders like that. There you go. It's super easy. You might mess up the first couple of times. Don't get frustrated if the lead doesn't come out. Just twist this again to kind of restart and restart the video and watch it again. Okay, well that's honestly all there is to it. I really hope that this helped you. If you have any other problems, feel free to put them in the comments and I'll happily address those for you. Otherwise, I'll catch you later.